When we moved into our new facility, we added a validation center. Validation center was allow customers to bring their parts in and try our tools before they buy it. And what we started to do is look at components, equipment, tools that other companies would use and align ourselves with some of the best in the industry. When we brought in this equipment, we also started to build some relationships with these companies. As more and more people visit our facility, they got to see Anderson wall doom or an ALN positioner, barrel projector. We started working more and more with these companies on solutions that complemented each other, used each other's equipment. So we reached out to some other companies that we share as common customers and asked them, like, would you be interested in bringing some equipment into our validation center and putting on a little show? These companies agreed, and we brought in some equipment, made it like a little mini trade show. We made the show all about you, all about the customers, so that you can come in and see some of the best modular equipment, positioners, measuring devices, EGV/automation components, set the standard of excellence together.
What makes these 9 vendors unique and the partnerships? Honestly, I think it is the ability and the willingness to work together to help customers achieve their end goal in the best manner possible.
I think the group of 9 companies are unique because we all bring something a little bit different to the table, but we all have the same goal. It's helping our end customers improve their processes, whether it's safety or efficiency or production.
One of the things that makes this group of companies unique is everybody's looking to work together to provide the customer, the end user, a solution that will benefit them. We're truly working with partners to provide solutions that are building long-term relationships.
I personally have a relationship with several people at Bluco, and so because we know each other and we know what new technology that we're developing, it's like how you build an economy. You get so many people doing different things that complement each other. The dynamics are tremendous.
Our partnership with Bluco helps us solve problems and create solutions. A lot of our products complement the products that Bluco offers. In this case, we sort of focus on the hardware, the things you can see and touch, and how well our laser systems integrate with Bluco.
Someone walked up and asked, why are you so passionate about this show? Because we're working with other good companies. We all have good products. Our solution alone doesn't always solve their challenges. So by working with these other 8 companies and their products, we provide a good solution and become a trusted advisor. And right off the bat, because of our experience and our knowledge, I've been doing this for 30 years, when we talk to these people, they start to get the confidence, hey, these guys know what they're talking about. They've got the experience, they're asking the right questions, and then when we put a solution in front of them, they're like, oh, that's exactly what I was looking for. Whether it's in the validation center or in their facility, because we go on site, help them put it together, build that first part, many times that first part passes QA, QC, it's a usable part, and we can point out all the lessons learned along the way. In this particular show, it was important to show how we work together as a team, how each of these companies complement each other, work seamlessly together to provide the industry with the best solutions out there.